Nice guys, so you can see the cars. Very nice.
You can consider also this one.
Yeah.
Yun nga lang medyo mabilis kasi 5 days ano lang yun.
Yeah. Pero only one color?
We have black, silver, solenoid gray, sir.
Guys, and welcome to another episode of Lex and Candace Tupas Family Adventures.
Mercedes SUV.
Yes,
My
we're
dream
gonna
car.
try. Yeah, it's Kuya's dream car, and we're gonna have a test drive, right, Kuya?
Yeah.
It's already after work hours and after school hours, so let's enjoy this long weekend by starting with a test drive with Lex Tom's dream car, Mercedes.
You met that traitor.
Very nice.
Hi, sir.
Hi, hello, hi.
Hi.
My son, Lex Tom.
Hello.
Hi.
Akala ko yung black eh.
Meron. Demo ko kasi one.
Demo unit was white.
Yeah.
Wow.
It's nice, eh?
So I have one.
Pero it's the same look, even the latest model.
Yung latest, sir. A bit different yung pinaka-latest na.
Sana yun. Wala available. So, this is it, guys. Try. So, this is over 5 million.
Same
Yeah.
price as Land Cruiser.
Yeah.
Land Cruiser is around 5.7.
Actually, 5, but with a premium.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, this is it, guys. So, it's different, no, as compared to the others.
I love this car.
You like it,
Yeah.
Kuya?
Yeah, this is a car.
Remember our Mercedes before?
No.
It's an E200. It's like a Batmobile. And it was so thick.
Yeah, we had a Lexus also.
Yeah, it was so thick na even if you bumped it, it won't have any problems.
Yeah. Oh,
Yeah.
because I don't even like to get
Yeah. This is diesel, guys.
Yeah.
Tipid, and wifey. I think you like it because, syempre, it's a German brand.
Yeah.
It's a European car. But when we were in Germany, Kuya, and Europe, diba, Mercedes there, they use it for taxi. Diba? Imagine.
I would be able.
It's a different brand.
Either pinapagamit natin sa
Sa mga tao dyan. Oh, okay. So, yeah. So, this is to 2021? 2022?
2023.
Okay. So, you like it, Kuya?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, I like this car. Better than all of our cars. The best.
No, I like our Land Cruiser. It's not easy to get.
Sir, di ka na mark.
The showroom, Kuya,
The Apple.
to see the and the update, the latest version. It's Mercedes.
There's Dodge.
So it's it's the main road here sa EDSA, tabi-tabi.
Wow.
Lahat ng mga kotse, showrooms.
It's our company.
Yes.
Umbrella siya. Kumbaga.
Oh,
Still watching Lex and Candace Tupas Family Adventures.
guys, in the showroom of Mercedes-Benz here in Green Hills. And then we have a lot of cars here in Mercedes-Benz. Guys, ang ganda. Oh, S-Class, ito pala. Kuya, oh, there's the new, oh. Ours is,
Sa G400 naman.
yeah. Yung sa amin, ano rin yun eh, early 2000s. Yeah.
Pero mas refined yung suspension niya. So,
At, okay.
this will be the final form of the X4
Oh, okay.
sorry, S5 300.
So it's available.
Available.
Yung SL ang ganda rin, oh. It's nice. So that's the, yung GLA masyado nga maliit.
Yeah.
Kuya, you love it? Gusto niya kasi. You just asked from your grandma
And this.
to give it to you. Second. You asked from grandma to give the G5 to you.
Yeah, because it's like that's a sports car right over there.
Yes.
What?
Yung panganay po din.
Girl,
Ilan
boy.
So, apat.
Yeah. But yung fourth ko, ano pa lang, 6 weeks young.
I
Kuya,
like cars.
Solid na, dalawa.
oh, ano na siya, pares. Okay na.
Kasi one boy pa.
One boy. O, kailangan, ano,
Oh, okay
Gumawa
na.
ng
Siguro
gumawa.
One boy, one girl. Okay na.
C-Class is also nice.
Sa C-Class, I have promo for this one. That's 300,000 pesos.
Oh. It's locked.
Then I'll show you, sir, the...
CLA is actually nice. It's simple but it's a bit small. Ay, ito yung ano nyo? Electric?
Electric.
Yun, sinabihan
Yeah.
din ako yun. Pero parang mga 6 yata yan, di ba?
6290 naman, sir.
Yeah. Kuya, oh, this is also what mom likes. Yeah.
If you're looking for...
Pero how much
space,
is it now?
5,990,000.
5.9. It's diesel also.
And
Yeah.
it comes with a massage. Left
Oh, pero it's only 7-seater.
and right. 7-seaters.
Can you go at the back? Pero paano ka pupunta sa likod? Ay,
Yun lang, sir,
move.
since bago
No,
pa
that one's
siya,
more bigger.
You will move
Or
forward.
Grandia or this.
Syempre, that one is bigger.
But it's like...
Mas longer siya sa...
Yeah. Pero the Grandia, it's bigger. And then we upgraded even the seats eh.
Sino mo?
Parang Atoy something. Yeah, nice. Right.
Nakaon lang na white. Pero yung first batch ko neto, sir, will be arriving 4th week this month.
So, may mga black ka.
Yeah. May black ako nga ito yata.
It's a new one, guys. Look, GLE, ang ganda.
Pero sir, it's a petrol engine, sir.
Petrol. And this is how much?
This one, 5,990,000 naman, sir.
Ooh.
Yung diesel, 5.790.
So, around 600.
Yes.
Pero, okay lang sa gas is mas tahimik siya.
Yep.
Just open? No. It's closed.
Sa lang yung Kia.
It's okay. We tried naman na.
What's... Oh,
This one also, right? It's a different color lang.
This is the satellite gray naman. This one is the obsidian black.
Yeah, but the black I think is nicer. So many cars here, guys. This one is really beautiful.
Yeah.
Yeah, how was your experience? You like it here,
Yeah.
Mercedes?
I just want to buy one.
You have to work for it. This is their sports car. AMG SL55. Look, guys. Yeah, it's around 25 million. Pero ako, I'm okay with a sedan. It's nice. Mom likes the SUV, the GLS or the GLE. Nice. He's having the time of his life here in Mercedes Green Hills. So this is their sports cars, guys. And look, it should close. Yeah, it has a back seat, pero it's so small. Very, very small back seat. It's beautiful. Medyo, it's around 24, 25 million. That's too much, right? And personally, if I had that money, and I don't have that, or extra money, I won't buy something like that. Yes, this one, GLS. Or this one, G-Class, pero medyo mahal pa rin. Or the S-Class, more elegant. Whoa, there it is. It's covered na. Yeah. Ang question ko, paano kung umulan? Diba? Pero ang ganda. So they're gonna open. Feeling abroad lang tayo pag ito yung sumasakay ka dito at agaw pansin. Can you open it? There, wow. So it's fast naman.
Yeah.
It's fast. Very nice.
You can consider also this one.
Yeah.
Yun nga lang medyo mabilis kasi 5 days ano lang yun.
Yeah.
Kumbaga,
Pero only one color?
we have black, silver, selenite gray, sir.
Black talaga,
Yeah.
no? Most
White,
elegant.
okay din yung white. White with black in.
So no need for charging. That's great. It just converts waste energy of the car to reusable energy. It's nice. Kamusta yung ano niya, yung consumption, gas consumption niya? How many kilometers?
Combined,
17. But this is nice. So that was a fun experience, and I think Lextom enjoyed checking out the cars in Mercedes-Benz. So we'll see, guys, what will be our next adventure here in Manila as Lextom and me, and probably Ate Alexa, will visit more showrooms in the next few episodes and share it with you. So guys, please like, comment, and
Subscribe.
thanks, guys. Bye.